Factorize 6x square minus 1x minus 1, 6x square plus x minus 1, 6x square plus 5x plus 1. How do we factorize in that? Step 1. See, whatever number you have, multiply it with the constant, that is minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Now look out for two numbers such that when you add the two numbers, you should get this middle number minus 1, and also when you multiply these two, you should get minus 6. Clear? Add two numbers, you should get minus 1, multiply, you should get minus 6. Okay. Now see this one. Multiply 6 with the constant, that is minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Next, look out for two numbers such that when you add them, you should get the middle number, that is plus 1. And also when you multiply these two, you should get minus 6. Am I clear? When you add, you should get plus 1. When you multiply, you should get minus 6. Now see that one. Multiply 6 with the constant, that is plus 1. 6 into plus 1 is plus 6. Now you should look out for two numbers such that when you add the two numbers, you should get this middle number plus 5. And also when you multiply these two numbers, you should get plus 6. Am I clear? To get the two numbers, you need to take LCM of 6. So that is 2, 3 and 3 and 1. To get here 1, that could only happen if the two numbers are 3 and 2. So take here 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 into 2 is 6. Now adjust the signs. I should get here minus 1. I could get minus 1 only if I place a negative before 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So signs are adjusted here. Now here you see. Here I should get plus 1. So the two numbers are 3 and 2. Such that 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 into 2 is 6. Now adjust the signs. I should get here plus 1. That could only happen if I place negative before 2. 3 minus 2 is plus 1, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now the signs are also adjusted. Now the next one. I should get here plus 5. That could only happen if I take the two numbers to be 3 and 2. Such that 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 into 2 is 6. Now adjust the signs. I should get here plus 5 means there should be plus sign before both the numbers. So plus 3 plus 2 is plus 5, plus 3 into plus 2 is plus 6. So signs are also adjusted. Finding these two numbers and adjusting the signs is where you need to be careful of. Clear? Once this is done, next. This will change to. In place of minus 1x, now I will be writing this one. Minus 3x plus 2x minus 1. Now what can I take common from these two? 3x. So you will be left with 2x minus 1. Here you got 2x minus 1, so here also it will be 2x minus 1. Here 2x is gone inside, so outside should be plus 1. If doubt, multiply and see. Still you will get the same result. Now take 2x minus 1 common. So here left with 3x and here left with plus 1. Thus I have factorized and this is the answer. Now see here. This will change to 6x square. In place of plus 1x, now I will be writing plus 3x minus 2x minus 1. Okay. Now from these two, what can be taken common? 3x. So here left with 2x plus 1. Here you got 2x plus 1 means here also it should be 2x plus 1. From this 2x is gone inside means outside have to be minus 1. In case doubt, multiply and see. You should get the same result. Okay, next. Take 2x plus 1 common. So here left with 3x and here left with minus 1. Thus we have factorized and this is the answer. Now see that one. This will change to 6x square. In place of plus 5x, now I will be writing plus 3x plus 2x plus 1. Okay. What can I take common from these two? 3x. So left with 2x plus 1. Here left with 2x plus 1. So here also it should be 2x plus 1. From this entire 2x is gone inside, means outside is plus 1. If doubt, multiply and see, still you will get the same answer. Okay. Now take 2x plus 1 common. So 2x plus 1, here left with 3x and here left with 1. Thus we have factorized and this is the answer. Understand the difference in each. Okay, good.